discovered the ropes, and I've learned to tie. I've learned to tie knots in the ends of the ropes, so they don't slip out through the pulleys. I've also learned to tie most of the belongings in place there too. Here's a little trivia question. This anchor is designed for muddy, flat bottoms, which this lake has. Oh, here we go. Does anyone know what the name of that anchor is? I do. Just wondering if any other sailors out there know what the name of that style of anchor is. It's perfect for mud and lake bottoms. Holy crap, we're moving now, folks. Holy shit. I wonder how far up we can go. I've seen videos of guys in this same boat, same style of boat, leaning right over the side, hanging on, strapped in. So these boats move fast. But now I know if it flips over, there's a daggerboard sticking down below. I'm supposed to stand on the daggerboard out of the bottom of the boat and use that to leverage myself over and right the boat again. Hopefully I never have to do that. Oh yeah, we're moving. There, tighten up those sails a little bit. And now we're picking up speed. I hope you can hear some of that water. Woohoo! Yeah, what a great day to be on the lake. So I'm going up the lake now from where I put in, so that if we lose all the wind, the lake just naturally, the current just takes me back down that way towards the dam. I wonder if you can see the daggerboard down below. I'm not sure what you saw. I'll have to play it back. Oh yeah, the wind's picking up. We are sailing. Oh, I'm sailing. You guys are doing jack shit. Ah, this is awesome. All right. Now, if we turn around and go the other way, that boom is going to come across and smack me right in the head if I'm not careful. So let's turn into the wind. Nope, it doesn't want to turn into the wind. Okay, let's go away from the wind then. And here comes the boom. Oh, there we go. Oh shit, I'm supposed to be on the other side of the boat. direction is faster. We're with the wind now. Well, if I have to, I can swim across the lake. It's about 2 kilometers, or maybe 1 kilometer wide, 1.5. If I have to, I can swim across it. But now there is a road all around this lake too, if need be. But hopefully it doesn't come to that. Hopefully I'm as good a sailor as I think I am. Whoa! Alrighty. Holy crap, we're moving now. Sailing is hard. That takes some muscles. Holy crap. I gotta get over to the other side of the lake. I guess I've got to tack again. I think I'm gonna put the camera down for that one. I gotta get over there. Man, we're moving. I'm going to stay out for a little bit yet. The only thing that's not tied down, I think, is the flippers, the fins. You don't call them flippers as a scuba diver. You call them fins. Everything else except, well, maybe the paddles, but they float. I think we're good.